afternoon. The Lion and the Mouse. A naughty little mouse was walking in the forest. He saw a lion. The lion sleeping under a tree. The mouse wanted to play. He jumped over him. He ran across Maine. The lion was woke up. Grrr. The mouse was afraid. He began to cry. The lion, the mouse said, "Oh, King, kindly leave me. One day I will help you back." The lion laughed. Ha ha ha. How can this little mouse help me? He thought. Okay, you may go. The naughty little mouse ran away. Days passed. The lion caught in a hunter's net. The mouse was. The lion roared. The mouse heard this. The mouse cut them. Now the lion is free. Lion said, "Thank you, little mouse. You saved my life. I am going to make you my minister." Thank you.